woman died after collapsing in the immigration hall of the Sangster International Airport, Montego Bay. According to the Ministry of Health and Wellness, deceased is a 62-year-old Jamaican woman arrived in the Delta Airway flight from Atlanta, USA today. Released from the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Health and Wellness personnel on the site made a resuscitation effort. However, the female was pronounced dead at the Cornell Regional Hospital approximately 2:30 p.m. Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. Christopher Tufton, has expressed his most profound regret on the passing of the traveler and has shared his condolences. Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.